everyone, it's Anne from Curious Moon Design. I've got my fourth mini needle book to show you today. They're all made from the same basic pattern, but with variations on the theme. Stay with me until the end of the video for a full detailed pattern so that you can make your own. These little needle books are a lovely gift for a family member or friend. In the other videos I've shown you various variations on the basic pattern that I've used, and this one's slightly different as well inside, so let's have a look. I've used a fabric on this one similar to the one I showed you before, but this one's in beige, grey, whites and black. I've added a nameplate to the bottom here with needles on I've just used some of my block letters printed on card, put that in there. I've added a brooch that I no longer wear to that might just be a button, but anyway it's rather spectacular. Looks lovely on there with the different colours. And the little pin cushion I've added with just a bit of fabric folded with some foam inside, just handy to have available. The closure is just a piece of fabric that I folded over and sewn along to make a ribbon with a cotton reel at the end. So inside we have a little pocket here folded up with a thimble pinned there. It's one of the adjustable ones, metal, it's very sturdy. And in this pocket we've got a button card with matching buttons, some thread cards and a pair of scissors, which I've just made a little pouch for my two pieces of fabric sewn together. So they go rather nicely in there. And the nameplate clips are hidden by the pocket there, so that's a little label there, handmade with love. Now these are the pages, and on this side I've got a pin with some beads on, and again I've used the French style safety pin, which doesn't have the rounded ring at the bottom, so you can thread them right the way round for buttons and beads. Rather handy. A little sewing machine charm, some pins. This was some fabric I had as a remnant, and it's got some nice little bows there, and I've added a button at the top. I've added some lace along there. Now this one, with this page, I made a variation on the basic pattern, so I extended this piece of fabric so that I could fold it over and make a side pocket on this side. So you can adapt the pattern in all sorts of ways to make it your own. Some pins there, needle threader, some buttons you can take off to use in a project, a tape ribbon, and in this pocket we've got button card, little mini journal, which is very cute, and lots of bits of paper I've just stapled in, and some pages from a book. That I'm using. It's got some sort of sewing images and crochet and knitting, so that goes rather nicely in that pocket. a lovely button to go with the colours, and one of our needle packs just ready for, I usually just put a bit of fabric inside with the needle on. On this side of the page, again another little variation. If you've looked at the other videos, I've added a little pocket there for the needle thread picker, essential item when you're sewing. A button here, some pins, and some like a belly band for, you could put some more fabric in there or more ribbon. And in here we have the side pocket with some cards, more buttons. You can get quite a lot in these pockets. You can put some fabric or pattern pieces, or just some more thread. On this side, got a needle ready to go, and I picked out the green from here with the pins, little charm button. And this side, I've added a pocket where I folded the pocket up. Here, I've just added a larger pocket, so I can just get a few more bits in. It's a tape measure, button, pin, and another notebook for making designs, and I've added some buttons on that side. So that fits in there nicely. And the back is just plain fabric, and it closes up that way. So I hope you've enjoyed looking through that. Please stay with us for the detailed instructions of how to make one of these mini needle books. We'd love to see what you make, so please let us know, and come back for some more videos where we'll be doing some more paper crafting and sewing. Bye for now.